Hi, this dance is called Love You No More, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia and Ardiansyah Raka, also from Indonesia, on June 2024. There are 64 count, consist of part A 32 count and part B 32 count. Phrased improver level line dance, 4 walls with a sequence of AAB, AABB, AAB take 4 count and BB. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with the part A, section 1. Part A, walk forward, right, left, and side mambo, right and left. Section 2, walk back, right, left, and then quarter Monterey turn to right, side touch, quarter turn to right, together, side touch, close together. Section 3, diagonally forward, step, lock, step, and in the other way around, left foot, step, locked, step, lock, step. In section 4, kick, ball, side touch, kick, ball, side touch, and then walk around half for a half turn. 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me repeat with a count. I'll do it slowly. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, part B, also 32 count. Section 1, 2 touch diagonally forward, and then hip width hip bump, up, down, up, and then behind side cross, do the other way around with close 2 touch right, left foot diagonally forward, up, down, up, and then behind side cross. Section 2, double half turn, half pivot to left, step, half turn, recover, step forward, half turn, recover, and then fish step, out, in. Okay, in section 3, make a big side step to right and close touch, and make a hip roll twice, anti-clockwise. Okay, and then do the same to the left step, close together, and then make hip roll twice. Okay, and then section 4, step right foot forward, kick left foot forward, and then step left foot back, close together, close touch, and then step back diagonally forward, close touch, step diagonally forward, close touch. Okay, let me repeat with a count. I'll do it slowly. Part B, section 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and there is one tag for count. Okay, you just do half pivot, step right foot forward, half turn left, recover on left foot, step right foot forward, and close left foot next to right foot. I'll do it with a count. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo called No Love You No More. Collaborate with Ardiansyah Raka. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the music, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.